Learn and Chat podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show. I'm Serena.
Hello, Serena, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here with you today.
Great to see you, Charles. How are you doing?
I'm feeling fantastic, calm, clear, and ready. I had a quiet weekend and even cleaned my desk. That alone made me feel smarter.
Desk therapy. I love it. I'm excited because today's topic is a big one.
A very big one. What is it?
We're talking about this problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
The classic. So many learners tell me this. I watch movies, I follow podcasts, but when it's time to talk, my brain freezes.
Exactly. The words disappear. It feels like your voice is locked.
Today, we're sharing powerful practical tips to help you unlock your English voice. Step by step, no drama, just clear actions.
Before we dive in, one small request. If this episode helps you, give it a like and share it with a friend who needs confidence to speak. It really helps other learners find us.
Thank you, everyone. All right, Serena, my voice is locked. Where is the key?
Tip 1. Change how you listen. Go from passive to active listening.
But I already understand. Isn't that enough?
Understanding is step 1. Speaking needs step 2. Active listening. That means you don't just hear English, you copy it.
Copy how?
Use shadowing. You listen to a short sentence and repeat it. First, pause and repeat, then try to speak along with the speaker.
So I listen, pause, repeat. Then, when I'm ready, I try to speak at the same time, like a shadow.
Exactly. Start tiny. One sentence from a podcast, a short video, or a line from a movie. You're training your ears and your mouth to work together.
That makes sense. It's not just input, it's output practice disguised as listening.
Tip 2. Create English mode.
English mode? Sounds like superhero mode.
It is. Choose 5 to 10 minutes each day when you think and talk only in English. The simplest way? Narrate your life.
Narrate like a commentator.
Yes, say what you're doing. I'm making tea. I need a spoon. The water is boiling. Or describe what you see. The sky is gray today.
It feels silly, but it forces your brain to find the words. I'm doing it now. I'm sitting in a studio. I'm talking to Serena. I'm smiling.
Perfect. That's English mode. Easy, private, powerful.
Tip 3. Learn chunks, not single words.
Single words are useful for tests. Chunks are useful for conversations. A chunk is a ready-made piece you can use instantly.
Example?
Instead of learning the word agree, learn I totally agree. You have a point. I see what you mean.
Instead of the word think, learn let me think for a second. From my point of view, the way I see it,
these chunks buy you time and make you sound natural. You don't build every sentence from zero, you plug in the pieces.
Tip 4. Speak every single day. Small and steady.
Not hours, minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, daily. Fluency grows like a muscle. Short, frequent practice beats long, rare practice.
What if I don't have anyone to talk to?
You have a phone. Use the voice recorder. Ask yourself a simple question. What did I do today? Press record and answer. Then listen. Notice one thing to improve tomorrow.
I know people hate their recorded voice, but it's the best coach. You hear your rhythm, your strong parts, and your sticky parts.
Exactly. No pressure, just you, your phone, and progress.
Tip 5. Role play real life.
Pretend you're at the cafe, at the airport, or in a job interview. You can be both people. Practice the lines you will actually need.
Let's try a cafe.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll have a latte, please. Actually, make it an oat milk latte. Thanks.
Sure thing. Do you want anything to eat?
What do you recommend?
See, now the brain learns to react in English. Role plays prepare you for the moment so you don't freeze later.
Tip 6. Treat mistakes like teammates.
The fear of mistakes is the number one silence maker. But mistakes are proof you're practicing. They are not red X's. They are footprints.
I love that. Footprints on the road to fluency.
Aim for connection, not perfection. If people understand you, you win. Fix one small thing next time and keep going.
Speak bravely. Errors are data for improvement, not reasons to stop.
Tip 7. Train your reply speed.
Listening is great, but conversation is listen, speak, speak. That second part is where many learners freeze.
Train it. Use quick question and answer drills with an AI chatbot or a friend. Ask and answer rapidly. Who, where, when, why, how.
Or play 3 fast answers. Example, name 3 hobbies you enjoy. Go. It builds reaction speed in English.
Another move is use either-or questions to keep momentum. Tea or coffee? Morning person or night owl? Fast, fun, and natural.
Tip 8. Use filler phrases to keep the floor.
Fillers buy you time while your brain finds the next idea. Natural fillers sound polite and confident.
Try, well, let me think for a second. That's a great question. So basically, in my experience, what I'm trying to say is,
With fillers, you don't go silent. You hold the conversation while you organize your thoughts.
Serena, can we add a few bonus tips?
Of course.
Bonus 1. Make a tiny phrase bank for your life.
Collect 10 to 15 chunks you actually use, like, I'm about to, I'm in the middle of, I just finished, it turns out, I didn't expect.
Use them in your voice notes every day. Your brain will start to grab them automatically.
Bonus 2. Use time boxes.
Set a 3-minute timer. Speak until it ends. No stopping, even if you repeat or switch topics. It trains flow, not perfection.
Bonus 3. Micro goals, micro wins.
Today's goal is 1 voice note. Tomorrow's goal is 1 role play. Next day, 5 shadowed sentences. Keep it tiny, keep it daily.
Let's turn these tips into real practice. We'll model a few quick exercises you can copy.
Exercise A. Shadowing. Step by step.
Choose one sentence from this podcast. I'm practicing my English every day, even for 5 minutes.
Listen once, pause, repeat out loud.
Now, play again and try to speak along with us. Match the rhythm.
Do that with 2 more sentences, that's it. Tomorrow, add 1 more.
Exercise B. English mode. Narrate your next task.
I'm opening the window. The air feels cool. I'm making tea. Where's the mug? Here it is. I'm adding honey today.
Do it for 3 to 5 minutes. Your brain learns to fetch words on command.
Exercise C. Chunk swap.
Exercise C. Exercise C is chunk swap. Replace plain words with chunks.
Instead of I agree, say I totally agree. Or you're absolutely right.
Instead of I don't understand, say, sorry, could you say that another way? It's friendlier and keeps the conversation going.
Exercise D. 30-second voice story.
Prompt yourself. What was the best part of my day?
Speak for 30 seconds. Listen once, choose 1 improvement for tomorrow, maybe clearer endings, or 1 new chunk.
Exercise E. Role play rapid fire. Situation, airport check-in. Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here you go.
Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, 1 suitcase. Is it okay if it's a little heavy?
See, short lines, high value.
Now let's give learners a mini chunk kit they can use right away.
Starting a reply. Starting a reply is, that's a good point. From my point of view, well, in my case.
Buying time. Let me think for a second. So basically, what I'm trying to say is...
Agreeing. I totally agree. You're right about that. Exactly.
Disagreeing politely. I see it a bit differently. I'm not sure about that. Another way to look at it is
Clarifying. Do you mean, could you explain that a little more? So you're saying,
ending your turn. That's all from me. What do you think? How about you?
let's talk confidence for a moment, because mindset matters.
When you're speaking, accept three truths. Your accent is part of you. Pauses are normal, and simple language is powerful.
You don't need complex grammar to connect. You need clear ideas and a calm voice.
Think connection over perfection. Did they understand you? Great, that's success.
Quick Q&A. Common questions learners ask.
What if I don't know a word?
Use a simple substitute. Instead of exhausted, say very tired. Instead of frustrated, say not happy about it. Keep talking.
What if I forget mid-sentence?
Use a filler. Let me start that again. Or, I lost my thought. 1 second. Then restart with a simple line.
How do I sound more natural?
Use chunks. Link ideas with and, but, so, and copy the rhythm from your shadowing practice.
How many minutes a day is enough?
5 is enough to start, every day. 10 is great. Small and steady wins.
Let's build a 7-day action plan. Light, doable, and effective.
Day 1. Shadow 3 sentences from this episode.
Day 2, English mode for 5 minutes. Narrate your breakfast.
Day 3. Record a 60-second voice note. My day so far.
Day 4, role-play a cafe order twice.
Day 5. Make a 10-chunk phrase bank and use 3 in a voice note.
Day 6, fast Q&A with an AI or a friend. 5 minutes, no stopping.
Day 7. Review your recordings. Pick one small improvement for next week.
Want a few ready-made role plays to try this week?
Restaurant. Hi there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad. Could I get the dressing on the side?
Of course. Anything to drink?
Just water, please. Thanks.
Phone call at work. Hi, this is Serena from marketing. Is now a good time?
Hi, Serena. Yes, what's up?
Quick question about the report. Could you send the latest version today?
Sure, I'll email it in an hour.
Small talk. Hey, how's your week going?
Pretty good. Busy, but good. What about you?
Same here. By the way, have you tried that new cafe near the station? Let's do a lightning review of our core tips before we close.
Tip 1. Active listening. Use shadowing.
Tip 2. English mode. Narrate your life.
Tip 3. Learn chunks, not single words.
Tip 4. Speak daily, 5 to 10 minutes.
Tip 5. Role play real situations.
Tip 6. Treat mistakes like teammates.
Tip 7. Train reply speed. Quick Q&A.
Tip 8. Use fillers to keep talking.
And our bonus tips, tiny phrase bank, time boxes, micro goals.
Final practice. Say these confidence lines with us. I can speak, even if it's not perfect.
I use simple English to connect with people.
I practice a little every day.
I'm unlocking my English voice one small step at a time.
We hope this episode gives you a clear plan and the courage to speak today. Tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first? Shadowing, English mode, voice notes, or role plays?
Thank you for listening. Share this with a friend who understands but struggles to speak. They'll be grateful.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep talking. Your voice matters.
See you next time.
Bye for now.